What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Camille back with another video, and today's video is going to be on how I got this hair from a 613 color to this gorgeous almost gray platinum color, and also how I styled it. So if you're interested in this look and how I got it, then keep on watching. So the hair we're going to be using today is from Yolissa Hair. This is their 613 wig, and the lace size is 13 by 6, and the inches are 26 inches. As you can see, the hair is very yellow, and we're going to get rid of all of that because we're not with that Barbie yellowish life. It's just not cute. It doesn't look good on me, so we're going to fix that. And it also came with 3 combs. 2 of them I got rid of course, and the lace is transparent, making it easy for you to customize. Then we also have a couple other goodies: a wig cap that came in the bag, a silk bag to store your wig in later, as well as a little wrap so you can wrap your hair with. Now this Vanilla No Yellow shampoo is all I use to tone this hair, and it's amazing. So I'm just going to take this and put it into a bucket and pour. Honestly, I put a little bit too much in here because this stuff is really strong, as you can tell when I put the wig in there. So it'll start to tone the wig almost immediately, and I just kept dunking it in there and dunking it, and it soon started to look a little purple, which is okay. When the hair starts to look purple, it doesn't mean your hair is going to be purple. It's just going to have more gray / silver streaks in it, which for me, I didn't mind because it added a little bit of dimension. But if you do get a little bit carried away, that's okay too. I did. And all you have to do is take some neutralizing shampoo, wash it out really well, and then you're good to go. So after I was done washing the hair out, and I used the neutralizing shampoo, which I'll leave a link down below. It's the olive oil neutralizing shampoo. I used it in my last highlighting video, and I'm just going to blow dry this hair. Oh, and I also conditioned it too, and I'll leave that conditioner down below. But you're just going to blow dry it, and we're halfway done. That's how easy this is. It's like super easy. I love this. I honestly didn't think I was going to like it this much, but girl, I was kind of feeling myself, so yeah. But yeah, as you can see, it does look a lot more white, and all that yellow is nicely toned out. So a couple days later, I went ahead and installed my wig, brushed everything out. Then I'm going to use this BTZ Smooth Criminal Heat Protectant Spray and just spray my hair so I can get it prepared for when we start to curl our hair, of course. Now I'm going to take my curling wand, which I got on Amazon, and of course, like everything, it'll be linked down below. Turn it up to 430. I think that's the highest that it goes, and I'm just going to separate my hair from the top and bottom, and I'm just going to clip the top part up just so that it's out the way, so we can begin curling our hair so we can look like a bad bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, this look like, oh yeah. Also, if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, let me know, because I thought about filming it, but then I was like, I don't know if anybody's going to want to watch that. But yeah, let me know if you want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, because I'd be more than happy to post it. It was super easy. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and comb out my hair a little bit, just to make sure that there are no naps. And then I'm going to take about 1 inch of hair and just, of course, comb it out and make sure that everything is nice and laid. And sorry, I was watching TV. Also, I had a fan blowing too, so if you're seeing like the hair blowing in the wind, that's why. And then I'm just going to take my curling wand, and I'm just going to begin to curl my hair away from my face. And you're going to do this exact same step throughout the whole head, so it's very repetitive. And then once I'm done holding it for about 10 seconds, I let it go and then hold it in my hand for a little bit. Be careful, it is pretty hot, so make sure you guys are careful with these hot tools. And then I just go ahead and let it drop, and then of course as time will go on, it'll drop a little bit more. But you're just going to repeat this and keep doing this all over the head. Try your hardest not to comb it out until you're done curling all your hair, because I'm not gonna lie, when I was doing this look, I had a look in style, but I was like, ooh, once I got done curling it, I was like, I don't know how great this is gonna look, but after you like comb it out, it's gonna look great. So just keep curling and keep going, because you're gonna be fabulous. We're gonna be fabulous. We got this.
Black seats, creme brulee. So they gon' say, with the top down, screaming money in the bank. We up till 6 in the morning. And the sunrise will be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Oh, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide.
Okay, so now that we've curled our whole head, I'm just gonna comb through the hair with my fingers, and then as you can see, it just forms these gorgeous curls. I was like, oh my god, like it was just so pretty. I was like, oh my gosh, it was just that easy. Like this whole look is so easy. I love it. But yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and comb it out with your fingers and just kind of zhuzh it up, I guess. And that is pretty much the whole look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video. That would mean the world to me. I love you guys so much. Leave a comment down below on what videos I should do next, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.